Alright guys, it's Vault here. So today we got a pop-up that we came across actually during the live stream. Um, Pretty decisive pop-up here. So, save the image. But yeah, so we're gonna call these guys and see what happens. I've got their number copied right here. And maybe see if we can get a website out of them. And yeah.
Thanks for
Hello?
calling technical support. My name is Daniel. How can I assist you?
Hey, Daniel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got this,
How can I assist you?
yeah, I got a pop-up on my computer right now.
Oh, could you please read out? Is there any ticket code being mentioned on that message?
Um, well, there's like this big pop-up, and then like there's like a blue stuff behind it, and I can read some words. It's
Uh-huh.
like crashed, bug, um, howl.dll, par
Mm-hmm.
vdm.sys.
Mm-hmm.
Then it's got this thing of text here. But yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead. If
Huh?
so, what exactly you were doing when this message came up?
I was just going to Google.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't get you, sir. What exactly you were doing when this message came up on your screen?
I was just going to Google.
Google. Is there any error ticket code? Can you please read out the complete message, whatever you had on
Um,
your machine?
Okay, warning, internet security damage. A suspicious connection was trying to access your logins, banking details, and tracking your internet activity. This TCP connection was blocked by your firewall. Your accounts may be suspended until you take action. Your personal information may have leaked. Immediate response required. Your hard disk may have a Trojan virus. Please do not try to fix manually. It may crash your data. Consequently, we are performing additional security checks to verify security system. Please visit our nearest Windows service or call Help Desk Customer Service 1-877-506-5563 toll free.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's the message, right?
Yeah.
Okay, could you please help me, like, which browser do you use? Is that Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox? What
Uh,
exactly it is?
I
Safari.
I got the pop-up on Google Chrome, but I use both of those.
Okay, and can you please help me with the make and the model of your machine?
I think it's a Dell. I'm not sure the model.
Dell. No problem. And which operating system do you use? Is that Windows 7, 8, or 10?
Not really sure. It's got
Just focus
this.
on the extreme left-hand side bottom corner. Can you see the recent Windows logo?
Yeah,
Windows icon is there. Could you please help me with the color? Like, is that in a multicolor or is it in a white color, blue color?
it's multicolored.
The multicolor. That means you're using a Microsoft Windows 7.
Okay.
Not to worry, sir. Let me quickly connect you with my secure server so that I can go quickly and let you know what exactly the problem is. The
Okay.
most important thing, sir, if we talk about like the bank details, so what all purpose do you use this device?
Pretty much just general stuff, like whatever I need it for.
Okay, no problem, sir. I want you to focus on your keyboard
Okay.
on the extreme left hand side bottom corner. The first key you had CTRL, the control key.
Yeah.
Next to control, which key do you see?
Um, Flag.
Yes, just keep your thumb and press the flag key and press letter R simultaneously. You need to press both the key at the same time.
Okay.
A flag key and a letter R at the same time.
Okay. I got
Now, did you see a
a.
new window has just came
Yeah.
up by the name of the run on the top?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you see there is a box? Like next to open, there is a box.
Yeah.
Now, is that box is empty or is there anything you can see? It's been already something in
It's
that box.
it's empty.
It's empty. Just start typing over there HH space Windows.
Windows. Okay.
7.
Okay.
Now the complete thing which you had with you is HH blank space Windows 7, right?
Yeah.
Now click on OK. And once you click on OK, on the extreme right hand side topmost corner you get a small window came up by the name of HTML help. Make it
Yeah.
large, maximize it.
Alright.
Now what did you see on that? Could you please help me with that?
It's stop, refresh, print options. It's got a
Just on the
paper,
top.
HTML help.
Can you Yes, can you see on the top HTML help?
Yeah.
There is a small tiny yellow color question mark.
Yeah.
Click on it.
Okay. Bring up open
Draw.
another menu.
Yes, click on second from the bottom, jump to URL.
Okay. I had to bring up another box.
Now in the second box which is empty and might be your cursor is blinking, just start typing over there.
Okay.
www dot
Alright.
C as in Charlie,
Okay.
B as in boy,
Alright.
T as in Tom, another T as in Tom,
Alright.
R as in Roger.com. The complete
Okay.
thing which you had is www.cpttr.com. Click
Yeah.
on OK.
Alright. Establish support connection.
Yes sir, please enter your name so that by the meantime I'll generate the support key for you.
Alright.
And your support key is 353
353
006
353006
265.
265.
Yes, hit continue.
Okay. Continue.
Click on run.
Says click start, go to assist. It says launching. Oh, it says run. It's downloading.
Yes, click on run.
It says connecting. Now it says installing. Verifying support key. It says connecting. It's got another thing that says yes or no.
Yes, click yes.
Okay.
Okay, now can you see that my cursor is jumping on your screen?
Yeah, I can see that.
Now, Tommy, you have been directly connected with our secure server. Now we are going to diagnose what exactly the problem is. So the first thing, let me check the configuration of your machine.
Okay.
Oh, it's Windows XP, it's not Windows 7.
Oh. Well, it's got the colored flag.
Because Windows 7 do have the same flag, but there is a blue circle with it. So now you can see that whenever anybody asks you, like, which operating system do you use, it's Microsoft Windows XP Professional.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Let me close this. Minimize it. Okay, so this is the message, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you the only user, Tommy, of this machine, or is there anybody else apart from you use the same device?
Yeah, I'm the only user.
You're the only user. Okay, now let me check some protection. Oh, you can see that your malware byte has been expired. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Let me open it for you. You can see that on the extreme right hand side bottom, your Malwarebyte anti-mal. Oh, it's been not opening. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Been expired.
Yeah.
The Malwarebyte it protects you from the malwares, spywares, adwares. So the first thing, sir, you can see that it's been already expired. Might be that's the reason. Your license is not longer valid.
Okay.
Let me minimize it. Okay. And you had an antivirus protection, like you can see that it's the free version.
Yeah.
Even you don't have the proper security on it. So might be these are the reason why you're getting these kind of stuff on your machine, sir. Let me check whether there is any kind. I'm so sorry. Let me check whether you had any influence on your network and still your machine is working fine or not. You can see that a diagnostic window is just up on your screen. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
What?
Sir, can you see that active connection?
Yeah.
And you can see that this is your local address.
Yeah.
And it should be remain empty. Like you can see that these are the foreign addresses.
Yeah.
It should be remain empty, but you can see that there are lots of, and this is the state, whether they had established a connection or not. So you can see that close wait, close wait, close wait, establish, establish,
Yeah.
establish, establish, establish. Can you see that?
Yeah.
They have been already established a connection with your machine. So it's clearly indicate that you had some foreign people who are keeping eye on your every internet activities. And you can see that how badly they can harm you. So now the
Okay.
most important thing, sir, you require an antivirus protection on your machine, a Malwarebyte. And the third thing is the firewall security, because right now your machine is being blocked. So do you want me to go ahead and just try to put this all the things on your machine, like the security package?
Okay.
Let me tell you, sir, there are certain slabs. Let me open a notepad. Is that the only machine you had?
I have a
Like this is the
laptop.
only device you want? You had a laptop and you want to secure that too?
Uh, sure.
Okay. There are certain levels, level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. Every single level denotes a particular tenure for the licensing for the software. Like if you go for a level 1, that is the basic one for 1 year.
Okay.
And if you go for a level 2, where you will get the securities for 3 years, and if respectively for 3, you go for a level 3, that is for 5 years. And maximum which we can provide you the level 4, which is 10 years. And if you think that money is not the concern and you want the complete satisfaction for the lifetime, there is a royal plan. The royal plan, it's lifetime. Now, every single, like if you go for a level 1, there is only for one computer, you can't add any new device. But if you go for a level 2 where you can add 2 more devices, 2 devices, and if you go for level 3 where you can add 3 more devices,
Okay.
and if you go for 10 years where you can add 5 devices, and if you want a complete peace of mind, like where you can add up to 10 devices, it's not been necessary that you need to have all the devices at same point of a time. It's been like the 10 years is big. Let's take an example. If you go for a level 3 for 5 years, like in next 5 years, if you purchase any other new device, right now you had 2 devices, So if you purchase any other two more devices, you don't need to spend not even a single penny on the security things. You just need to give us a call, register your new device with us, and get the securities on it. So
Okay.
could you please help me, like, sir, which plan suits you better so that I can let you know?
Um, I guess the level level 2 or the 3-year one.
3-year one. First, let me tell you the prices, sir, so that you can choose according to your budget. If you go for level 1, that is the basic one where I can't give you any discount. You can't save any money in it. It's just 199.99 for complete 1 year. You can see that how slow your machine is. And at the same time, if you go for a level 2, which is for 3 years, you just need to pay 349.99 for complete 3 years. And if you go for a level 5, where you can save more money, it's just 499.99 for complete 5 years. That means $100 for a year. And if you go for a 10 years, that has been freezed. Yes, if you go for a 10 years, it's just 699.99. The royal plan which I'm talking about, if money is not the concern, you can go for that. It's just 999.99 for complete lifetime for all the devices, printer, scanner, email. You'll get support for a lifetime on every single device, whatever you had on your machine.
Okay. Yeah, I think I'll have to do the level 2 one then.
Level 2, 349. I just required your name, phone number, email ID, and your address. Now, I will request you, sir, please use your keyboard and fill all these details like your name, email, and a phone number.
I have a question. Do you guys have a website?
Yes, sir, please. What is the question, sir?
I was asking if you guys had a website.
Yes, sir, we do have, sir. You will get all the legal documentations on your machine. You don't need to worry about anything. Like, once I will transfer this call to the billing department, they will help you to get through this payment, and by the meantime, I'll align a team of technicians who will start working on your machine on the immediate mode.
Okay, but are you able to show me it?
Yes, sir, exactly. They will show you, sir.
Hello? You
Sir, I'm
there?
with you, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir, I'm with
So,
you. I'm just transferring this call to the billing department. They will show you the website and go through and confirm the payment and for the how long you had the securities. So please
okay.
be with me. The next voice is of my billing manager, and if you had any query regarding PC Take Care, he will let you know each and everything.
Okay. So that's you guys'
Okay.
name, pctakecare?
Yes, sir, that is the
Oh,
name of the company, and we are located at Norton City, Massachusetts.
okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you for staying online. You're speaking to Nasser Wilson. I'm from the billing department of PC Take Care LLC, and I'm speaking to Mr. Tommy Carter.
Yeah.
Hi, Mr. Carter. My name is Nasser Wilson. I'm from the billing department. How are you doing today?
Good.
That's great. All right, Mr. Carter, I'll be proceeding from here, and I'm quickly going to register you, and I'm going to reconfirm each and every information with you so that we can clear that no mislead information has been given to you. And all the calls are recorded for the training and quality purpose. All right?
Alright.
Okay, Mr. Carter, now you're going for a complete level 2 security, which is a complete 3 years of unlimited technical support and software securities for your Windows operating system. And all the securities and services for the next complete 3 years are provided by PC Take Care LLC, which is a third-party technical support for Windows operating system. All right?
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, and
now,
the other guy
go
said
ahead.
you were going to show me your website.
Yeah, sir, I would like to request you to see, actually at this moment, I'll tell you the website name, but right now it's under the maintenance at the moment, alright? So you can access to this website anytime, but at least for the next 5 years, next 5 hours, please, it is under the maintenance. Alright, that is the name of the website, okay? But if
Okay.
you can log in this website after 5 hours, okay, you'll be able to do that because it's under the maintenance at the moment, okay?
Alright.
Alright. Now I would like to tell you one thing, sir. Now, PC Take Care LLC, let me tell you some brief information about it. It's a third-party technical support for Windows operating system. This is not Microsoft, plus do not confuse with it. We have no association or something like this with Microsoft. Now let me tell you, the securities which we're going to install in your computer. First of all, Microsoft never provide assistance to a single user operating system. Okay. Now it should have minimum 25 computers and it has to be a listed company. Okay. Then only the Microsoft provide the assistance to and software technical support to that firm. And now as far as the single user concerned, you can purchase the security even by yourself directly from the Microsoft website. Okay. But these securities you have to install it by yourself, and even after 2 or 3 years, or like even after 2 months, matter of fact, if these securities stop working on your computer and creating any kind of a problem, like it makes your computers very slow or something like that, then you cannot revert, or you cannot refund for ask for the refund for these securities, because you cannot take them back. Okay. This is because these softwares, they actually comes with a license, and once the license used in a computer machine, it cannot be relicensed, or it cannot be reused in any other computer. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what is the role of PC Take Care is that we purchase a bulk software securities directly from the Microsoft, okay, that is in a bulk, and then we further deliver these software securities to the customer. Once we install the securities, now what's the role of PC Take Care LLC is that whatever the assistance and assurance warranty which you get for all these software, that is provided by PC Take Care. Okay, let's say for example, for the next complete 3 years, if any point of time these securities, or you start getting the issues in your computer again and again, in spite of the fact that securities are installed in your computer, PC Take Care will going to take care, and it will going to do all the service and tune up work for that. Okay, and you don't have to pay any single penny for that, and you can get your computer service and tune up regularly on the every month. You can get your computer service. Okay.
Okay.
And all the software, and especially only the Microsoft, which is the software which is only required for your computer, that is only not going to be charged. Okay, if you required any other software, like a TurboTax or maybe Skype or any other software, it will be a chargeable one, because these are the third parties software. Okay. But
Okay.
as far as the Microsoft is concerned, whenever we install any Microsoft security, or your computer requires such kind of a security for the smooth functioning, then these security you should not supposed to buy, or you not even have to buy, at least for the next complete years, till the time you have a subscription. Okay.
Okay.
And in this 3 years, you can get your system service and tune up every month as well. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now the mode of the payment is through a check, through your debit card and credit card. So which one would you prefer? Your debit card, your credit card, or your checking account?
Um, debit.
Debit card. All right. Just give. All right, now I would like to tell you one more thing, sir. Once I will register you, it cannot be revert back, it cannot be upgrade or degrade. In this scenario, I would like to tell you that you're going for a level 2 security, which is a 3 years of unlimited technical support and securities, wherein we want our customer to associate with for, to bond with us for a longer period of time. Now, level 3, which is for the 5 years of 499.99, I can give you a straight levi of $30 discount in here and make it to 469.99. Would you consider that one, or you want to restrict with the 3 years?
Um,
Because the one, see, let me tell you, and this discount which you are actually getting in here, that is the discount which you are getting only because you are registering first time with us. Okay, because like in between in this 3 years of sufficient time period, if you getting your service, if you want to add one more device or want to upgrade your services for the next complete next for the 2 years, then it cannot be possible, because at that time you have to completely go for the level 3, and it will be an entirely new account will be created on your name. Okay, and that prices will be at that time 499. It maybe you might get some discount, but at that time again you have to pay approximately this much of amount, because it's nothing like that you can make a difference amount and you can upgrade your services. It cannot be like this, because once the ID created, once the account created, it can not be making, it's not possible to make any adjustment on that.
okay.
Yeah, so would you consider the level 3, which is a 5 years one, or you want to restrict with the level 2?
I guess I'll do level 3.
Level 3? Okay, so 469.99. All right, sir. Yes. Now, I would request you please go ahead and type your name in here, the name which appears on your card, and the card number. Please do not make any gap or any space in between.
Okay. Hello?
Yeah, sir. Please type in your name, sir.
Hey, can I ask you something?
Yeah, please ask me.
Why is this? I know this is a scam.
No, this is not a scam.
Oh, okay, why is your website suspended?
So webs, that's why I told you, sir, is under the maintenance at the moment. It's not as the active right now. That's why I asked you, if you
Well,
check in this account after 5 hours, you can able to see that.
it said the website was
And let me tell
suspended.
you, okay, let me tell you, as far as the payment is concerned, if you're not able to see that website in the next 5 hours, okay, please give us a call back, okay, because payment is not going anywhere. We can refund your payment anytime whenever you call, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, okay. As far as any kind of if you're saying that this is a scam or something, call us, call this number first, okay, and get your all query resolved. If nobody is answering your call, or if you're not getting any kind of assistance on this number, because see, payment is not a big thing, you can even go for a chargeback as well, okay. So definitely we are not going to do something like 469 is not a matter to us, right? So even because if we not answering your call, if nobody's picking up your call, and later on you come to know that this is some kind of a scam or something, you can definitely call your bank and you can go for the chargeback. But I would not suggest you to do so, right? I would rather ask you to call on this number anytime. Okay, basically the number, if you call on this number, call it on 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, as per the Eastern time zone. Okay, and if your call is answered, well and good. If you have any query in mind, ask them. Okay, if your query is getting resolved, that is fine. If it's not getting resolved, okay, you just tell them that you want your money back. Okay, if you are facing the problem again and you think that there is no service or software installed in your computer, problem is still there as it is, computer is not working fine, okay, then plus just tell us that your computer is not working fine, and the security which you have paid for and the kind of services which you have paid for, you are not getting these kind of services. Okay, we'll be happy to do that. Okay, because if we even don't do that, okay, definitely any person can call the bank and ask for the chargeback. Then definitely this amount can get back to your account anytime. So as far as the scam is concerned, we are aware about that. These nowadays there are some kind of a scam is going on, but I'll make you assure that call on this number if any of your query comes in your mind, okay, and your query will definitely going to be resolved. If nobody's answering your call and your call is not getting attended, that is something what you call a scam, right?
Okay, but
Yeah.
he said that
Hmm.
these were hackers.
Definitely. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you, sir. You are paying for these things. You are paying for these unknown users or IP addresses which are showing active. Okay, you are actually paying to get these things removed. You have a peace of mind that now your computer is completely solely you are working on that. There is no hacker or there is no unwanted users trying to access it. Okay, so basically
Can
you are
you
paying for that thing, right?
can you read this? The highlighted part.
Yes. Yeah. Go to assist.
Doesn't this go to assist?
Yes, I can see that.
So why would it be here if it's a hacking thing?
Sure, this is, let me tell you, this is a kind of a path through which you are connected. All right. Now, this is a path, it's like a URL, kind of you can say a software through which you are connected. Now, see, why is showing in here? Because definitely for this computer, for your computer, it cannot be shown here, right? It cannot be shown here. It should be shown here only because that is also a foreign address for you, right? Because
Okay.
you are connected. Now, if it's showing here, then it is the only thing which supposed to show here. Okay, it should not, these things, it should not be then, these things should not be here. Only go to access because you are connected through through a software, to this secure line. Okay, which is a go to access is just a a kind of a software through which you are connected. Now, if you this software is showing under the foreign address because for this is the foreign address, okay, because this is us, right? Now, as far as if this is us, I have already told you, which are showing established here. But these all things, they are not us. Okay, you are connected to go to access. You can see here. Okay, go to access is showing here. Okay, that is us. That is for confirm that this is we are is okay through which you are connected to this remote access. Okay, now apart I have no idea what is all this arcane technologies and all these things because it keep on showing established whatever is showing established, then it could be the reason.
Okay. Um.
Yeah.
Type netstat.
Hmm.
Uh. How would these be hackers?
Sure, see, let me tell you one thing. First of all, whenever you're using your computer, okay, I'll tell you a small example. Like if you use your one computer, your one PC, and you connect the same PC to our one Wi-Fi router, okay, you get the maximum speed and everything is getting fine in there, right? As soon as you start connecting, second PC, the speed is getting little bit reduced. Okay, then you use a third PC. Okay, then suddenly some speed fluctuation start coming up. All right, same way, okay, in this scenario of like the moment you connect to the internet, you connect to the entire world, right? You connect to the entire world at the same time.
Yeah.
Now, there are other people who are also using the internet at the same time, okay? Now, as far as these hacking related issues are concerned, okay, it is only can come through the internet, to the network only. Okay, it's nothing like that. People can see your screen, and the moment you connect to the server, okay, any person can easily get into your computer. No, it's not like that. It can only be possible through the IP. Okay, that is the internet protocol address. The moment you connect to the networking, there is a IP created. All right, that is why it is called a protocol. This I kind of a set of a rule which every computer device, while connecting to the internet has to go through. Right, it
Wait.
has to go through the same
Can I show
pathway.
you something?
Yeah, please.
Do you see these four right here?
Mhm.
If we go to that website, citrix.com, this
Mhm.
is the host or provider for Go to Assist.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
pretty much the only things in here is these two.
Let me do one thing. Let me do one thing, sir. I'm from the billing department. Let me quickly go ahead and connect you to the technical team, okay? Who will probably, maybe the best person to, help you with this and let you know what exactly is, because I can give you some slight, information or some idea about it, okay? But the complete information or complete clear picture might be technician who going to, assist you, or maybe the technician going to work on this computer, okay? They will going to solve it. All right? So let me
Alright.
just connect you to them. Okay, give me a moment.
Thank you for staying online, Tony. Tommy, this is Brian Jones, a network technician here. How are you doing today?
Hey.
Yeah, are you there?
Yeah.
Hi, Tommy. This is Brian Jones, a network technician. You have some questions about your computer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead and ask whatever questions you have. You can directly go
Well,
and speak to me, then you can ask for me.
what I was telling the other guy is he said these were foreign addresses, right?
No, all are not foreign addresses.
So which ones are
Let me
foreign?
tell you, sir. Do you see this one? It says deploy.static, aka who is your internet service provider? Let me check one more thing. Who is your internet service provider, sir?
Um, Time Warner.
This is actually a foreign address on your computer.
This is their website.
Yeah, this is their website.
Yeah. Just puzzle for service. Is this your guys' website host or something?
Yeah, this is their website.
No, is this your guys'
Do you,
website host?
do you no, no, do you have any idea about this? Which company is this? Do you have any relation with this website?
No, I've never seen them before, but it seems they're a some sort of host website. Hosting cloud servers and stuff like that. DDoS protection. Yeah, so if none of these are bad, then why'd he tell me they were bad?
Sure, these are the addresses. Okay, your computer is nothing related. The problem that you have on this computer, that is not related to these addresses. Okay, the problem which you have on this machine, that is infections, spyware and malware things. That's the main. You can see that's the main concern on this computer, which we have to fix.
But I have Malwarebytes.
It is expired now.
Well, it's not. Doesn't actively protect, but I can
Yes, you
still
can buy
scan
this,
it.
but at this point of time, what you need a software warranty on this computer. That means whenever you face any problem on this machine, you can give us a call back and we'll take care of it. As well as we will put Norton antivirus, which is the best antivirus in the market, which we are going to put on this computer today.
But why did he tell me these were hackers?
Who?
The other guy. He said these were all hackers.
This is not hacking. You can say this is not these are not hackers. These are the foreign addresses through your computer, which you can say through which your computer goes to internet.
Then why did he say they were hackers?
I'm not sure about these things, sir.
He told me that these were hackers connected to my computer.
Oh, I don't think so.
Why did he tell me that?
I have no idea, sir, but I'll tell you one thing here. I'll tell you one thing here. You're typing the wrong command. It's ipconfig. You are typing 2O. There is only one O.
Yeah, I just typed that.
Yeah, now type enter. This is your IP address and your subnet mask and the default gateway through which you are using your connection. You can say internet.
Is that a hacker?
No. That's a local IP. Let me show you what is this. What you're typing here. You're trying to ping your. Let me show. Is that your default gateway or what? Let me just check. You typed 192.168. That's your IP address. You just ping your. Yes. The default gateway is 10.0.2.2 and your local IP address is 10.0.2.15 and that's your virtual IP address which you're trying to ping, that is 192.168. That's your, you can say, a virtual IP address.
So, you seem like you kind of know some stuff. You do know this is a scam, right?
This is not a scam, sir, first of all. If you
Me
think
and
this is a scam, I can't help.
well, me and me and some other people actually called you guys yesterday during a live stream with 50 people watching, and
Sorry?
me and some other people actually called you guys yesterday during a live stream with
Yesterday?
about 50 people watching, and after we told the other guy that it was a scam, he started to cuss us out. So why do you think that is?
Sir, I'll tell you first of all, this is not a scam. Okay, we are actually providing licensed software to our customers. We are actually providing support for their future computer problems. Right.
Go on YouTube.
If you think this is a scam, I will not request you to go and pay. You can simply go and disconnect the session. You will have a complete access of your computer. Disconnect it and just work on your computer by your own.
This is a virtual box. See, here's
Yeah, I can see that's a virtual box.
I have to confirm my age, but here's the live stream we were doing. Here's my channel.
I know you. I know you're using VirtualBox.
Why didn't you say anything?
Maybe he was not aware of it because he is a level 2 technician and I'm a level 3 technician.
mean-
I know you are using VirtualBox.
He went into the system information, and it was right there. It's right here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Looked right at it. Virtual box. So, I mean, I know this is a scam. Like, do you know it's a scam, or do you not know that it's a scam? I feel like you do.
It is not, sir. You can think whatever you want, sir.
I have proof, though. I don't
What
have
proof you have?
this video and the live stream.
Which way?
We have plenty of proof. I'm recording right now. I've been recording even before I called you. I've got about 46 minutes of video footage. And as you can see, I do this. I'm pretty experienced with this. I do this a lot. So it's pretty easy for me to know when this is not real tech support. You can see we got a good amount of people that are going to see this video and are gonna call you. So
Which video?
This video after I upload it, there's probably gonna be around 200 people that are gonna be calling you. So
Did you restart your computer?
No, you tried to reboot it, but I ended the session. Because I was trying to show something. But I know you probably just changed it so it would boot into safe mode or put a syskey on it, but I don't really care. It's a virtual machine.
We don't do that. We don't do that. We are not that kind of technicians who put syskey and all. We are not like that.
Well, I'm saying there's gonna be a lot of activity on your phone lines in a little bit. So
Okay, now what do you want from me, sir? Should I go and disconnect the call?
well, I just wanna. Why do you scam people?
Sorry, what you want to do?
Well, why do you scam people?
Oh, you know that.
I know why you scam people.
Yeah, but this is not scam, sir. How many times should I tell you that?
How many times do you want to watch the video? There's gonna be a lot of people calling. I hung up. Well, I didn't really get aggressive in this video because I didn't feel like it. I stayed up really late last night till like 5 in the morning, so I didn't feel like it. But so call these guys up, annoy them, ask for the level 3 technicians. See if you could talk to that guy. I'm gonna upload this probably in an hour. So yeah, harass these guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.